Hey everyone! In this video, we will compare Freepik and Korea. Freepik and Korea are two vastly different platforms, each serving different purposes. Freepik offers an easy-to-use video generator with customizable templates for quick video creation. It's perfect for social media content, ads, and presentations, especially for beginners. Premium features provide more advanced tools and templates for businesses. Overall, it's a great choice for creating polished videos without needing advanced editing skills. On the other hand, Korea provides high-quality videos about Korea's culture, tourism, and news. While it doesn't offer customizable video creation tools, it's excellent for showcasing Korea's beauty. The videos are informative and visually appealing, great for culture exploration. However, it's not a platform for generating personalized videos like Freepik. In my opinion, Freepik is best for creative resources, while Korea.net is best for official information about South Korea. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.